Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Been a really long time since I've taken my mini Capra out. This is a Muse Endura build, SCX24. It's got all the bells and whistles, extended. So we're gonna take it for a ride and see how well she does, because I've modified this, my outdoor track, and we'll see how well she does. Love this build, came out really good. It's using the old electronics motor system from Puritech. So, you know, but it's one of my originals. This thing I really like. It's done really well. Has overdrive. Got the Endura Klingon wheels. So let's see how well she does. It's been a while. She does sit. I'm probably gonna bottom out right here because she does sit low and I just dropped on it. So let's see if I can get off that. There we go. There we go. Should be able to, there. Let's hit this line right here. And up and over. This is one of my lower, you can see she bottoms out pretty good. It's all right though. Got a lot of power to get over stuff though, and to get out of stuff. Made it like that. So let's see about getting her down this hill without flipping her. And the course definitely changed, and we'll go up this section in a minute. But just try doing this. I'm always tinkering, got to add more rocks when I can. Oh! Articulated too much. All right, we'll save her. She flipped back over. All right, but I do like how this one came out. So it's just been so long since I've used these smaller rock crawlers. Been doing a lot with other things, and I've been doing the micro crawlers, which you guys have seen, the SCX30s. So we'll go up here. Up and over, do a nice crawl through here. And tell me in the comment section what you think. If you guys run one of these. I think this thing runs pretty good. Again, I have it set up way lower than it really should be. So we're gonna go over here and try this section. And you can see she gets hung up a lot, just it's a lower center of gravity. Just like that. That wasn't that great though. All right, let's go over here and see how well we can do up the steep stuff. I don't think I've actually used this line yet. Whoop. Help if I don't get stuck on some trash in the backyard. All right. Try to hammer out this. Oh, tried to save it. Let's do it again. Try it again. Oh, the battery fell out. Try this again. Surprised it was easy to Come on. I think she's gonna flip again. She keeps getting caught up. Yeah, she's gonna flip. Let's try a different line. Up these rocks. Hopefully we don't get the same result. She's sliding. And yep. Oh. It's been a while. This thing should get up that though. This thing's very capable, but I guess not capable enough. Yeah, not a good showing right now for a car that I really like. All right, we'll try a different line. Try to get up this and then we'll be done. So we'll go up this new section right here. And then we'll be done. Oh yeah, come on. There we go. And that's it, guys.